Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn with Amna, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Ali. Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Ali. Hi, everyone. I'm so excited to be here with you all today.
Me too. I had such a nice morning. And you, Sarah?
I'm wonderful, thank you for asking. And I'm really excited about today's episode.
Same here, because today we're talking about something we all do. Every single day. Ordering food at a restaurant.
Yes! And not just ordering. We'll show you how to do it confidently, politely, and even sound a little fancy if you want.
No more awkward pointing at the menu or panicking when the waiter comes to your table.
Exactly! By the end of this video, you'll be ordering like a pro. Step 1. Always start with a friendly greeting. You never get a second chance to make a first impression, even with a waiter.
Okay, so just say, hi, right?
Better. Try, "Hi, table for two, please." It's polite, short, and everyone gets it.
Table for two. Got it.
Notice the pronunciation of table. Tibble, not table. Tiny changes, big difference. Quick question for you all. If you're with friends, do you say table for two or table for three? Comment below before we move on.
Starter, main course, dessert. Why can't it just say food?
Because menus are fancy, and we're going to sound fancy too. One time I asked for dessert, but pronounced it like dessert. The waiter laughed, I laughed, but I learned the right way.
So it's dessert tea, got it. I don't want to end up viral for the wrong reason.
And wait, I'll show you the secret trick to ordering anything without hesitation. It's coming up.
What if I don't know what something is?
Step 3. Politely ask questions. Use, "What's in this dish?" or "Is this spicy?"
Excuse me, is this, spicy?
Don't worry, everyone asks this. And notice the polite "excuse me" at the start. It's magic. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this lesson, it would be wonderful if you could kindly give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us make more helpful English lessons for you.
And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Learn with Amna. We post practical English tips every week just for you.
Also, we'd love to hear from you. Comment below your favorite restaurant phrase so far, or any funny ordering experience you've had. We read every comment.
Yes. And if you feel this video could help a friend, sharing it would be so kind of you. Sharing is caring.
Step 4. Requests. Use, "Can I have?" or "I'd like." These are polite and natural.
Can I have the grilled chicken, please?
Perfect. Or, "I'd like the pasta with extra cheese." Fancy yet casual. Extra cheese is the key to happiness. Extra cheese. Say it like this, Ali.
X.tray cheese. Oh, I feel fancy already.
Memorize these two phrases and you can order anything. Pizza, sushi, even fancy French dishes.
Drinks, confusing. Do I say water, sparkling water, or soda?
Step 5. Simple is best. "I'll have water, please." Or, "Can I get a soda?" Clear and polite.
I once said soda, and the waiter brought soup.
Classic. Always check pronunciation. What's your favorite drink to order in English? Comment below. We love seeing your answers.
What if I'm allergic or I don't eat something?
Step 6. Politely explain. Use, "I'm allergic to," or "I don't eat."
I'm allergic to peanuts. Can you make sure there aren't any in my dish?
Perfect. Or, "I don't eat meat. Do you have a vegetarian option?" Simple and clear. One friend said, "No meat, please," in a funny way. The waiter laughed, the kitchen laughed, and she got extra veggies.
If this lesson is helping you feel more confident, we would really appreciate it if you could kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you'll never miss any of our practical English tips.
And if you could give a little like, that would be so kind. It encourages us to make more useful content for you.
We'd also love it if you could share your restaurant English stories in the comments. Every story helps us all learn together. What if I don't understand the waiter?
Step 7. Don't panic. Say, "Can you repeat that, please?" Or, "I'm sorry, I didn't understand."
Uh, what?
Exactly. Smile, politely ask again. Secret power makes you look confident, even if inside you're panicking.
So, basically, it's okay to pretend I understand even if I don't?
Only until you politely ask again. We're learning, not cheating.
Finally, the bill. How do I ask without sounding rude?
Step 8. Simple phrases. "Can we get the bill, please?" Or "Check, please."
Check, please. Thank you.
Perfect. And tip? Usually 15 to 20%. Small tip, big respect.
So, if I forget, I'll just do a little dance instead?
Please don't. Unless you want a viral video. Quick recap of our restaurant English hacks. Greet politely. "Hi, table for two." Read the menu. Learn starter, main course, dessert. Ask about dishes. "What's in this?" Make requests. "Can I have?" Or "I'd like." Order drinks. Simple and clear. Special requests. Allergies or preferences. Understand the waiter. Politely repeat. "Pay the bill." "Check, please."
Wow, that's a lot. But I feel like I can actually do it now.
Exactly. Practice makes perfect. Just remember the key phrases. Secret tip. Imagine yourself as the main character in a movie scene. Confident, smiling, ordering like a star. People notice confidence, even in a second language.
So, I should act like a movie star while ordering fries?
Exactly. Maybe even get extra ketchup. Next time you go to a restaurant, remember, greet, ask, order, smile, enjoy. English doesn't have to be scary. It can be fun and delicious.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, it would mean a lot if you could kindly hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with anyone learning English.
We'd also love it if you could leave a comment telling us which phrase you're going to use first at a restaurant. We read every single one.
And don't forget to check out our next video. It's packed with more easy and practical English lessons designed to help you speak confidently in everyday situations.
Thank you again for being here with us today. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and happy ordering. Goodbye.
Goodbye.